Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the top 5 running gear must-haves for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting out, having the right gear can make all the difference. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list of the best running gear for 2024 is the Brooks Men's Ghost 15 running shoe. After giving these shoes a thorough test run, I can confidently say they live up to the hype. The Ghost 15 provides a perfect blend of cushioning and support, making it an excellent choice for runners of all levels. The DNA LOFT cushioning in the midsole offers a smooth, soft ride without sacrificing responsiveness or durability. I felt the difference on both short sprints and long-distance runs, with consistent comfort and support. The engineered mesh upper is breathable and flexible, adapting to the shape of your foot while providing a secure fit. The 3D footprint technology adds structure without adding weight, which is crucial for maintaining speed and agility. The outsole, with its segmented crash pad, adapts to every stride, ensuring a smooth transition from heel to toe. I also checked out user reviews online, and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Runners appreciate the shoe's comfort, durability, and stylish design. Let's dive into the Garmin Forerunner 265 running smartwatch, a true game changer for runners. With its vibrant AMOLED display, this watch is easy to read even in bright sunlight. Navigating through features is a breeze, and the detailed training metrics and recovery insights are standout. It provides real-time data on heart rate, pace, distance, and more, with personalized training suggestions and recovery time. The accurate built-in GPS and sleep tracking give you a comprehensive health overview. Durability and comfort are top-notch, thanks to its lightweight design and comfortable strap. The battery life is impressive, lasting several days on a single charge. Online reviews highlight the watch's accuracy, durability, and the wealth of data it offers. Compared to other running smartwatches, the Forerunner 265 excels with its advanced features and user-friendly design. If you're serious about running and want a reliable smartwatch, the Garmin Forerunner 265 is an excellent choice. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist, making it a top-notch pick for any runner. Next up, let's talk about the SHOKZ OpenRun AfterShokZ AeroPex open-ear Bluetooth bone conduction sport headphones. These headphones are a game changer for anyone who loves running or working out while staying aware of their surroundings. The bone conduction technology delivers sound through your cheekbones, leaving your ears open to ambient sounds. This is a huge safety feature, especially for outdoor runners. The OpenRun headphones are incredibly lightweight and comfortable, even during long workouts. They come with a headband that keeps them securely in place, no matter how intense your activity gets. The sound quality is impressive for bone conduction, providing clear audio without isolating you from your environment. The built-in mic is great for taking calls on the go, and the Bluetooth connection is stable and easy to set up. These headphones are also sweat-resistant, making them perfect for intense workouts. The battery life is another strong point, offering up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Online reviews rave about their comfort, durability, and the unique open-ear design that allows for safer workouts. Next on our list is the FlipBelt Zipper in black, size small. This running belt is a fantastic accessory for runners and fitness enthusiasts who need a secure and convenient way to carry their essentials. The zipper pocket provides extra security for valuables or medical devices, giving you peace of mind while you're on the move. I tested it with my phone, keys, and even a passport, and everything stayed snug and secure thanks to the half-inch wider surface compared to the original FlipBelt. The design includes a key hook for added security, so no more worrying about losing your keys mid-run. One feature I particularly appreciated is the 3M quality reflective logo, which enhances visibility during low-light conditions, adding a layer of safety for early morning or late evening runs. The belt is also incredibly easy to care for. Just toss it in the washing machine and either machine dry or hang dry. I checked out other reviews, and users love its sleek design, durability, and practicality. The FlipBelt zipper is a game changer for anyone looking to carry their essentials without the bulk of traditional running belts. Next, let's dive into the TrailMix running vest or hydration pack. This 7L hydration vest is a game changer for both men and women who enjoy long-distance running or hiking. The pack comes with a 2L bladder, which provides ample hydration for extended outings. I took it for a test run, and the fit was impressively comfortable and secure, thanks to the adjustable straps that ensure it stays in place without bouncing. The vest includes multiple zippered pockets, which are perfect for storing essentials like your phone, keys, and nutrition. There's even a dedicated phone holder that keeps your device easily accessible, yet secure. One of the standout features is the front storage, which allows quick access to water bottles or other items without having to stop and fumble through your pack. The lightweight design and breathable materials make it a pleasure to wear, even during intense activities. I also appreciated the high visibility details, which are crucial for safety during early morning or evening runs. User reviews echo my experience, praising its durability, comfort, and practicality. Compared to other hydration packs, the TrailMix stands out for its thoughtful design and reliable performance. If you're in need of a hydration solution that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this vest is definitely worth considering.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.